Hi, Deadlock's here again. I've got lots of keys out because I was trying different things to get these open. Would you look at that? Oh, the vinegar has done some good bits, which I mean, not perfect, but
it wasn't the right kind of
then,
vinegar.
yeah, I discussed that in the last video when you weren't here. But there's other bits that aren't great, and then a bit that really isn't good. But the open, I seem to have a mild rust issue inside because the key's not quite going in properly. It did actually take two of us to get these open. Had me with the key part way in, pulling on the key with Mrs. D, pulling on the lock barrel, and as you can see, I've actually loosened these up a bit. But they're, especially that one, really stiff.
Really?
But yeah, needs a bit more de-rusting, especially in there.
Well, hopefully now that I've boiled some vinegar in my kitchen and filled my nose with vinegar
Yeah,
smells.
I've bit the bullet and made the house smell like vinegar and boiled this down a bit. So we'll see what that does. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.